right relationship with me. We must have we must have a Christ in our life para pagdating ng panahon. Masakit kay King Saul yun. That's why it was also right, si Sandra. You can see the star of David there. Why? Because David curses that mountain when he heard what happened to King Saul, especially to his best friend Jonathan. That's why that started David. He cursed that mountain. So that there will be no Jew and everything, or no more powers will try to live there, or yung mga mabubuhay ng mga kung ano-ano diyan sa mundo. Dahil sa nangyari dito. So after that, David succeeded the throne, and marami rin siyang followers that time. Kaya nung nagtapos ang buhay ni King Saul, because of his videos, David as appointed to become the second king and anointed to become the second king of Israel. Now also remember, learn to obey to have a wonderful blessings. So that's the story there of Gilboa. And tawag dito, we'll continue our journey to the one of the biggest and largest wind turbine, okay, or windmills here in the northern part, especially here in the world. That originally these wind turbine or windmills were first created by one of the famous holding companies, or I forget the name. Originally it was put there in Golan Heights, secondly here in the Lower Gully. So one of the biggest and largest electric and water supply, o yung pinaka-sources nila dito pagdating sa kalang mga kapangyarihan pagdating sa elektrisidad ay ang windmill o wind farm. So for those who doesn't see the biggest and largest electric one in your life, you can have right now pagdadalay niyo sa pag hindi, diretso na tayo sa yun. Ano mo? So look at on the left side, the wonderful Chisel Valley or Armageddon Valley na tinatawag natin. We're in the good and the battle of evil will happen in that wonderful valley. It was prophesied in the book of Revelations. So look that wonderful and awesome view. And look at the beautiful Lower Galilee, wherein this is very, very significant, especially the time King Saul, especially the other Bible characters that we have. So look at that valley. So, and now, we're having to last journey destination. So, I know that you are hungry, and you are, of course, excited to swim now, to underwent under the sea, under the sea, under the swim, under, not just swim now, you will dive in, swim there. So, we'll give you the floor as we arrive there in the beautiful Sakte or Garden of Eden, what you call it, here in Isha. So, congratulations everyone, we done Mount Gilboa, and we have two more or last, or our destinations, the highlights that we have today, because it's summer, right? Look at the wonderful Yusuf Valley, or the Valley of Armageddon, or the Valley of Megiddo. So, you want a unique name for your sons and daughter? Megiddo is or Armageddon. If you want, or Jezreel, it's beautiful. So, you can have here this wonderful view here in the Lower Galilee as you pursue Gana Selosha or Sakme. And yung sinasabi ni Sandra, yung Beichian, wherein the body and the body of King Saul and his three sons were being hung. It was near here, almost 30 minutes away from Ganasir, if I'm not mistaken, something like that. So we'll not be going there because it was not on the time spot that we have, because we have a lot of destinations we made in Ako from here, so we cannot make it in Beichian. So it's good in during the winter season, the place of Beichian National Park. So we will try to put that in winter. So just wait only for the proper time and right season, so that can come in Beichian. And this is also one of the wonderful cities, especially in the Roman time, this wonderful Croatian National Park.
Pabili na kanina. Kanina pa kami nakaalis doon lang. Papunta na kami ng Ganhas to siya ka. Maaga pa naman pala, alas 12 pa lang. So, kumain ba muna tayo? Sino nagpapasya? Shout out. Hindi lang din. Shout out. Shout out. Shout out your mouth. Bisa shout out. Shout out. Kalbo. Tapi tanong to may nalato yan. Ato yung baba. Dari wala rin ito.
Napagod ako yung driver. Pinaba na tayo sa sweet. Ay, ay, mag-intindi niya, nagugutom. Kasi ako nagugutom. Pinaba na tayo. Tanawin na lang natin yun. Yes. Ayun o. Di ba, huwag kayo mag-alala. At least may 3 oras at kalapit pa kayo mag-swimming. Bawi na lang siya.
kasi yung tinungtungan niya noon, hindi matibay na bato yun, kaya nalaglag siya. Hindi mo ba alam? Ano na mo? Yapos? O 3 years ago? Hindi matitibay pala yung mga bato doon sa ano, tapos napakataas pa doon, malaglagan. Pwede siyempre, tumungtong dun sa bato. Hindi picture-picture. Tumungtong yata sa bato. Yung bato, bumigay, hindi siya matibay. Nalaglag siya. O sa lagay from that time, ngayon na lang ulit sila bumalik doon. Nung nalaglag yung 3 years ago. Nasaan na tayo? Nasa Gilboa pa rin tayo. Nasa Gilboa pa rin tayo pala. Bago pa tayo makarating ng Ganhas Station. Ayan, Divans na. Yan pa rin. Ayun yung windmill. Ayun. Kita mo? Layo. Windmill na. Sadya naman. Ayan na, walang kilad Ganhas na. Hindi ba tayo kakain muna?
So, ayan. Bigyan na tayo ng pasensya sa inyo. Napagod na yung aming tagapagmanyaw. Binaba na tayo. Maligo na raw tayo. Mainit na yung ulo. Mamaya we'll see the situation.
Hindi ba tayo kakain? Hindi ba tayo kakain? Be, anong isusuot mo? Yung parang nabasa natin kanina sa tornado? Yung isusuot mo? Mag-short na lang yata ako. Anong isusuot mo?
Yung basa.
Yung basa? O ako din, yun na lang short ko aman. Kain muna tayo. Ay, ang ganda naman. Pwede. Ay, akin. Suyo naman. Ay, ang layo mo pala. Okay. Salamat ha. Pasensya na.
Ayan, Beo.
لحالك كذا قدامك كذا
Yang naka-ano? Nakasaksak? Yung nakasaksak?
Nangyari, ba't na traffic na tayo?
So we'll find a place inside all together, and then while swimming you can leave your things with us. So approach me to take your pictures, and of course I will try to go from top going down. So the natural spring on the top and the middle, that is the falls, and the last one, if you want to feel na maging bata, no problem. You can go there swimming in the lower portion. Yung middle po, yes, the middle ay malalim po yun. So, the middle is deep. From the top, it was the kids section. And there are some areas that was deeper on the kids section. The middle is the falls, of course, that is malalim po. Now, the lower portion, yung pinaka first lane sa mahaba ay malalim yun. The second one, that is yung tama lang, no? Kung gusto nyo po yung maabot lang ng height ninyo, no problem. Yes.
Maliligo ba lahat? Hindi.
Huwag po kayo pag-alala kung malunod kayo, may maibang sasagip sa inyo. May abibi na kayo agad.
Diba ito? Tulog ka na naman. Alas 12 tapat. Ang swimming. Kailangan.
So we'll park here, and then all together we'll go inside, okay? And siguro po, no, pagkakasama na all together, we will find a place, and then you can leave your things with us. You can see, we have 2.5 hours. So maximum before 3 o'clock, we need to be inside the bus para at least 4:30 or 4, you can have in Tel Aviv, okay? So at least